Hi guys, today we are going to solve some problem from previous year question of CSIR NET and GATE exam. Okay, so let's start. Here, here a question is given from NET 2011 June. Observe the following aqueous solution of same compound. All the measurements are made at same wavelength and same temperature. Solution A, here given three solution. Okay, solution A, the transmittance of 0.11 mole per decimeter cube using 1 centimeter cell is 0.5. Solution B, the optical density of 0.5 mole per decimeter cube is measured using 1 millimeter cell. Okay, here cell path length L is equal to 1 millimeter, here 1 centimeter. Okay, so we convert unit same, means semi to meter, and here is millimeter to meter. Okay, solution C, the transmittance of this solution is 0.1. Okay, the optical density of this solution follows the order. Which order is satisfied here? So let's start. Okay, okay. Solution A. Solution A. Solution A. The transmittance. In the previous video, I told you transmittance T equals to I by I naught. Okay, so I by I naught equals to 0.5. Okay, okay. I naught by I equals to reciprocal of this, means 1 by 0.5. So 10 by 5. Okay, so 2. Therefore log I0 by I equals to A, which is called optical density. Okay, so A equals to log log 2. If we calculate it, log 2 0.0301. Okay, calculation here, optical density is 0.0301. Now here from Lambert's Lambert-Beer's law, log A equals to log I0 by I equals to epsilon CL. Okay, so here concentration of this solution is 0.1 mole per decimeter cube. Okay, so epsilon concentration 0.1 mole per decimeter cube into cell length 1 centimeter. We convert it to meter, so centimeter to meter to the power minus 2 meter equals to optical density 0.0301. Okay, so epsilon 0.00301 0.0301 by 0.1 into 1 into 10 to the power minus 2 mm, mole decimeter cube meter. Okay, so clear. Okay, uh, mm, the value becomes, let's check, 0.301 divided by 0.1 divided by 0. Sorry, 301 301 decimeter cube mole inverse meter inverse. Okay, clear. For solution A, we observe molar extinction coefficient value 301. Okay, now for solution, now for solution B here, given data is optical density of the molar solution is measured using, okay, optical density means A equals to log I0 by I equals to epsilon C into L. epsilon value 0.301 decimeter cube mole inverse meter inverse into concentration here. Concentration here is given 0.5 mole decimeter cube. Okay, and cell length here, cell length is 1 into 10 to the power minus 1 into 10 to the power minus 3. Okay, 1 millimeter, 2 meter, okay, meter. So the value is 301 into 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3. So the value is 0.105. Okay, for solution B, the optical density value we get 0.1505. Okay, here units cancel out. Clear. Next for solution C. Okay, next for solution C. What is the given data? The transmittance of this solution is I by I0 equals to 0.1, means 1 by 10. So I0 by I equals to 10. 10 A equals to A, optical density equals to log I0 by I, means log 10. Okay, log 10 equals to 1. Clear. So here we can say C greater than the optical density value of C greater than A greater than B, means of 4 option is correct. Now the next problem. Okay, by Lambert's Beer law, A equals to log I0 by I epsilon C n. Here the concentration is transmit, means I equals to I equals to 30 and I naught equals to 100. So log 100 by 30 epsilon c concentration 1 into 10 to the power minus 3 into length. Okay, so epsilon equals to log 100 by 30 into 1.20. Okay, so the value of molar extension coefficient is 3.73. Okay, molar inverse, centimeter inverse. So here the given data is c equals to 10 to the power minus 4 and path length 0.5 centimeter. Okay, and transmittance, percentage of transmittance means I by I0 percentage of transmittance I by I0 to 100 equals to 50. So I by I0 equals to 50 by 100. So I0 by I equals to um, 2. Okay, certain wavelength, the molar extinction coefficient of the molar extinction coefficient of the molar extinction coefficient of the comfort means by the Lambert-Weir law, log I naught by I epsilon CL. So log 2 equals to epsilon concentration 10 to the minus 4 molar into length 0.5 centimeter inverse centimeter. So epsilon equals to log 2 by 10 to the minus 4 into 0.5 molar inverse centimeter inverse. Six zero 20 molar inverse centimeter inverse. Okay, so option D is the next question. Appropriate reason for the deviation from the Beer's law among the following are uh, limitation of Beer law. First, the light used for the carrying out the experiment must be monochromic in nature. The concentration of the sample must be low. The compound should not undergo association or dissociation. So check the option. Monochromicity of light, no. Here also monochromic is set. Very high concentration, not is not correct here. Here low concentration is assumption. Here association of electrolyte, no. Association of electrolyte. So option 3 2 2 3 and 4 are 4 deviated from Beer's law. 2 3 4 2 3 4. So B option is correct. Percentage of transmittance, percentage of transmittance they are given here. Percentage of transmittance is given here, equals to I by I naught into 100 equals to 39.8. So I by I naught equals to 39.8 by 100. I naught by I equals to 100 by 39.8. Okay, measure at 510 nanometer in a cell of length 1 semi, the absorbance means A equals to log I0 by I, log I0 by I, log 100 by 39.8. Okay, so 100 divided by 39.8 log of answer. Okay, 0.4.0, and molar extinction coefficient value by the Lambert-Beer law, log I0 by I equals to epsilon CL. So epsilon value equals to log I0 by I CL. Okay, here the value is 0.4, 0.40. Concentration is 8 into 10 power minus 5. Length is 1 centimeter. So 0.40 divided by 8 into 10 to the power minus 5, 5,000. Okay, 5,000 molar inverse centimeter inverse. Option C is correct. Now the next problem, the intensity of a light beam decrease by 50%, means absorb 50%, so it transmit 50%, means I equals to 50, I not 100, passes to a sample, L equals to 1 centimeter, the percentage of transmittance of the percentage of transmittance of the light passing to the same sample, but okay, low. Now let us assume concentration is x mole, x mole, x molar. Okay, now log I naught by I equals to epsilon CL, means log 100 by 50 epsilon C x molar, length 1 centimeter. So epsilon equals to log 2 divided by x molar into 1 centimeter. Okay, now the path length is 3 centimeter. So the equation log I naught by I epsilon CL, a epsilon x molar into 1 centimeter into concentration here, concentration here, x, we take x molar. Okay, x molar, and length 3 centimeter. So 0.301, 0.301 centimeter, molar, x log 2, 0.301 into 3. Okay, 0.930, and antilog of this means I by I naught, antilog log 0.903, 0.998, near equals to 8, so 8 I by I naught 1 by 8, percentage of transmittance in the question, percentage of transmittance in I by I naught into 100, means 1 by 8 into 100, so 52.5 is the correct answer, option D. So next question is same. Next question is concentration 2.5 into 10 to the power molar, concentration is given, and absorption minimum, okay, absorbance of absorbance log I naught by I a equals to 0.0 given they given a measured cubic part cell length path length 1.5 centimeter. Okay, so log I naught by I epsilon CL if concentration or epsilon concentration 2.5 into 10 to the power minus 4 molar into 1.5 centimeter. And so yeah, 0.90 concentration 0.90 2.5 10 to the power minus 4 molar 1.5 centimeter invert centimeter. Okay, so let's check it. 2.5 10 to the power minus 4 divided by 1.5. Okay, epsilon molar inverse centimeter inverse. Now here here the cell in 0.2 and the concentration 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 molar. So absorbance A equals to log I not by I equals to epsilon CL epsilon तो molar inverse centimeter inverse concentration 1.5 into 10 to the power 3 molar and L 2.0 centimeter. So 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.2. 1.5 10 to the power minus 3 into 0.2. 0.72 is the absorbance. Okay, so today's class here today's class each end and please supporting us channel. Okay, bye bye, take care.